Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we've got Eagle Moss's Build the Back to the Future DeLorean. We've got issue 24. Issue 24, we're getting towards the end of our engine. We're going to be putting some gears and pulleys on, some fan belts. So we're going to be putting on an alternator belt, a compressor belt in this issue. We've got lots of pulleys and alternator fans and everything to put on. We've got our assembly pages. We're going back, part 1. Bit about Davy Crockett, and we are continuing the engine in the next issue, so we're not quite finished by the end of this issue, but we're getting there. So without further ado, let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our package, and as you can see we've got lots of gears and pulleys and little bits in here, belts and stuff. So we've got 2 different belts. I think they are the same. I don't think they are any different. Okay, so we're going to need to bring back in our engine, and all these parts look very similar, so we're going to have to decide which ones is which. So we're going to need place 24C onto the post at the bottom of the rear of the engine. So 24C looks like this one here. So let's put that one on to here. No, it's not that one, because that one will not fit. Is it this one? Nope. This one? No. This one? Yes, it's that one. Now we're going to need 24B, which could be this one. No, it's not that one. This one, over the top of that, and we're going to need 24A, which is I think this one. Yeah, they all look very similar to what's on the book. I think that one there, and we're going to be holding it all in place with an AM screw. Let's get an AM screw loaded up first. Obviously we'll know by the end of this video whether we've picked the right parts. I'm sure I have, but they all look very similar. Okay, so we've got that on. Screw that into place. Just like that. That's what we should have, I believe, after that issue. Now we're going straight above onto this one. We're going to need 24E, which is this one. So that's going on to here. Now we need 24D first, which is this one. That one's going to slide over. It's really loose. .24D, could be this one. I think it's this one. Slide that one on. No, it's not that one, because that one's used on that one. No, it could be that one. All the parts look very similar. Now 24E, which is this one, over the top with an AP screw going in here. Let's get our AP screw. Screw that into place. Just like that. Now we're going all the way down here to this one. I'm going to be getting our cog. I'm going to be putting that on, and it wants to go on this way. Just like that. Now we're going to get this little pulley here, and this is going to be going over the top. It's getting secured into place with an AP screw. So I'm going to put the AP screw on. I'm going to put it through here, and then I'm going to marry it up to this piece. Just like that. Just like that. Now we've only got 2 pieces left, so hopefully these fit together. We're going to need this piece to go in the back of this piece, just like that. And then where's that going? That is going up the top on here, and that's getting secured with an AP screw also. So it wants to go this way around, so hold that on there. I'm going to feed in our AP screw, get it on the hole, tighten that up, just like that. Now it's time to put some belts on. So the first one is going across this one, this one and this one. So grab ourselves a belt, we're going to put it over this one, and it's got the back of this one and onto the front of this one, just like that. Exactly the same, but this one's going through here and onto the front of this one, just like that. So that is what we are left with after that issue. Looking good. Just make sure my belts aren't twisted and make sure they go straight. Nothing worse than a twisted fan belt. There we go. That's this issue complete. I think you'll agree the engine is looking pretty good. Yeah, very good. Cool. So let's have a look what's coming up in issue 25, which is more parts for the engine. Hopefully this will be out next Monday, but this is the last of this delivery from Ecomos, and this lot did turn up a week late, so the start of these videos were 1 week later than what they should have been, but hopefully by next week we'll have them all in and I can continue on from issue 25. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.